Hi, it's me, Tina. I am here to do a review for Pandahall Selected. They sent me some items, which I did an opening for, a box opening, I should say. And they sent me these amazing stencils. One says Home Sweet Home and one says Welcome. And I'm going to show you the sign that I made for the one that says Welcome. I just did it out of cardstock and cardboard because I haven't been able to get into my garage to do it with wood, and my son hasn't been available to do it for me. So I just made it out of cardboard. Now, it might be too big to fit into my frame here, but I will try to show you. So here is, I made it in my favorite colors. Here is the Welcome. As you can see, the letters are big. And I will get my ruler and show you how big they are. If I can find my ruler, that is. That would be great. Yes, that would be great if I could find my ruler. I should have had it out, but I didn't. And where is my ruler? Okay, I have this one here, but so this one tells me inches. Okay, so this W here, from the tip here to there, it is 3 1/4. And then from this side here to there, it is, yeah, it's invisible here. I mean, not invisible. 5, what? I don't get this ruler. Inches, 3. Okay. So it is 4 inches. No. 5 inches wide. So these letters are nice and big. They are fantastic for wood. You know, if you have one of those saws that would cut it out. We do have one. I just haven't, you know, been out there to use it, and my son, he hasn't been available. So I just kind of made it on my own with cardstock and chipboard. I made it really thick, and I really love it. I have it hanging in my craft room, and I'm going to add some, probably some of this lace that Pandahall sent me. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking I will put a little down the side here like that. That's why I haven't used this color yet, because I really think that would be beautiful. So I may use that. Then let me show you the lace so these are the stencils, and you can't even tell that I used them. And I did some stenciling with them, like rubbing, and yeah, can't even tell I used them. So they're very good quality. And this is a journal that I'm starting. So this is going to be the cover, and this is going to be a very personal journal. It will be vintage pictures of my family. So I probably won't be doing this on video. I may be doing some parts, but yeah, so this is going to be the wraparound for this. I haven't glued it on yet. I've only done some work in here. So these are just some pages that my dad wrote. These are out of his books. And I did make a pocket out of this brownish lace. It looks very like a vintage color. So I did make a pocket with that, and I made it go all the way around. I do have a page in here yet. So there's a pocket here, and a pocket here, and that is glued on. And I made it so that it sticks out the bottom. Look how beautiful that is. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is my daughter and myself, so it says, "This is what makes me happy." And yeah, I wanted to put that in this pocket because I love this lace. I love my daughter, but I mean, yeah. So that is what I'm starting. And so they sent me this color, which I used. This will be for the front. And I'm sure I'll be using some more of this in the journal as I go along. And maybe I'll do another video of it. So here's the gray, here's the black, the white, which you can, you know, dye to any color you like. And here is the rose color, which is absolutely gorgeous. And I will link these down below in the description box. So if you would like to order them, let me just say this lace is super quality, and just like the stencils. So yeah, I will link it all down below. I believe I have a coupon for you. It is Pandahall Selected, so go check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and give me a thumbs up. Bye. God bless.